Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Math Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare two well-known non-custodial crypto wallets, Phantom Wallet and Math Wallet. We'll break down their features, usability, security, and which one suits different types of users. Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly, Solana-specific wallet designed to handle not just SOL, but also tokens and NFTs within the Solana ecosystem. It's available as a browser extension and a mobile app, offering seamless access across devices. Phantom is built for users looking for simplicity with a strong focus on Solana, making it an excellent choice for anyone involved in Solana-based dApps, DeFi, and NFT projects. The wallet has a clean and easy-to-navigate interface, built-in staking support, and even a decentralized exchange, DEX, for quick swaps. For Solana-centric users looking for a simple, all-in-one solution, Phantom stands out for its ease of use and comprehensive support for Solana's decentralized world. Math Wallet, on the other hand, is a more versatile multi-chain wallet supporting not only Solana, but a wide range of blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, and more. This makes it an ideal choice for users managing assets across multiple ecosystems. Math Wallet provides a robust set of features such as staking, DeFi support, dApp browsing, and cross-chain token swaps. It is available as a browser extension, mobile app, and even a hardware wallet, giving users flexibility in how they manage their crypto. While the user interface may not be as streamlined as Phantom's, Math Wallet's multi-chain support makes it the go-to option for users with diverse crypto portfolios. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is perfect for users heavily focused on the Solana ecosystem, offering ease of use and seamless integration with Solana dApps and NFTs. However, if you need a wallet that supports multiple blockchains and offers more flexibility for managing assets across different ecosystems, Math Wallet is the better choice. Both wallets have their strengths, so your decision ultimately depends on your specific crypto needs. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details.